to 20 knots. Wind wave.
See if I can pick it up on this.
Sunday night.
The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Washington County, Northwest Washington until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 11 miles east of Acme and moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Locations impacted include main-rural areas of southern Whatcom County. A severe thunderstorm warning means damage winds of 58 miles per hour or greater, and flash or 1-inch diameter hail or larger is imminent or occurring. Those in the warned area should seek safety inside a sturdy structure, away from windows. No. Severe thunderstorms can also produce frequent, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in
Sorry,
Seattle.
let me just put that back real quickly.
With this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Whatcom, Washington. The marine forecast for the northern inland.
Alright, so that's it. So, severe thunderstorm warning was issued for what didn't look like much of a strong cell on radar, but it was for southern Whatcom County near Acme, Washington. And I guess KAD 93 only covers that area when I thought WWG 24 did too, but I guess it doesn't. So, thank you guys for watching. It's rare to get a severe thunderstorm warning this time of year, but this is the first of 2015. I will see you guys.